Yo, check out this Roomba 560 vacuum cleaner robot. Brand new in the box. The box has been opened but never used. Everything is still wrapped and sealed inside the box, brand new, which I'm going to show you. It's kind of like what Jesse Pinkman had in Breaking Bad. It's pretty cool. Just cruises around your house. I have another one I'm using. So check it out. If you have any questions, I'll help you. I'm going to run this at auction. Check her out on eBay. Thanks. There's an instruction manual. It's still sealed, brand new in the box. Never even opened it. Everything's just like it came. Never even pulled out anything. Thanks for looking. Have a great day.